topic of semiconductor and devices. We have to concluded that now we have to discuss the major optical devices, solar cell. Solar cell. Solar cell is a device which convert the solar energy into electrical energy. Solar energy, this convert into electrical energy. Solar cell is a device which converts solar energy into electrical energy. It is a type of PN junction diode. It is a type of PN junction diode. It is a type of PN junction diode. What is the basic constructions? So we have to construct solar cell. First we have to also remember the symbol for the solar cell. This is PN junction and the light is falling. The light is falling on this. Light is falling. This is the symbol which we are using for the solar cell. Now what is this? What is this? This is a PN junction diode. Actually this is a PN junction diode. This is P and this is N and this is the diffusion layer. This is the diffusion layer. So we have to connect it. So we have to connect it this. This is a metal Furner electrode is placed here and this is a back. This is a PN junction diode. Hence the light is falling on this depletion. Light is falling on this depletion region. Depletion region. When the light is falling, this is the H nu and this H nu greater than forbidden energy gap. So we have to false a light on this depletion layer and this depletion layer will break up first and electron and hole moves P and N type. So we have to connect it a finger electrode. Finger metal electrode here. Electrode. And this is a back contact. This is a back contact. And after we have to connection of the back contact, this is a load resistance and a current is flowing in the circuit. This is the actual picture of the solar cell. Now we have to discuss, this is a crystal. This is a PN type of crystal. This is a crystal structures. This is a crystal PN. Here the upper layer will be doped on P type. This is P type. This is P type and diffusion layer in this. This is the diffusion. This is thin. The upper layer of N type and this is very thin layer. After that there is a depletion region and this is a PN. And on this PN junction diode, a finger metal electrode is placed in equal gapping because when the light is falling on this finger electrode, this depletion region will break up and electron hole pairs will be recombined in together and the current is flowing in this circuit. Hence a current is obtained. This is the load resistance across a load. So we have to, this figure is mainly figure in this. So we have to, this is the symbol of solar cell. Symbol of solar cell. This is the basic circuit diagram. This is the basic circuit diagram. This is the main construction. These are the important of the concept of solar cell. So we have to discuss it.